Demonstrate knowledge of the appropriate form of writing to use for a particular purpose and audience. In a newspaper editorial, the newspaper article is written by or on behalf of an editor. Often is written about a current issue, and it is a persuasive essay with the purpose of influencing other readers' opinions and is meant to be biased. So a good editorial will have an introduction that is intriguing. It's a hook. It grabs the reader's attention. The writer's opinions are expressed in a very professional way. It avoids name calling. It focuses on the issues without attacking individuals. The opposition, which is the counter argument, the beliefs are refuted with strong facts. And it takes a proactive approach, so it makes the situation better, and it's not a complaint. It's a call to action, and it tells the audience what it wants them to do. It's a concise conclusion that sums up the writer's position. It includes facts, it has rhetorical questions, and it'll provide a solution. The author's purpose is the reason or the goal for writing the topic. It will entertain, inform. The author's purpose will also persuade. The audience of a persuasive text will be are the specific people that the author is writing for. The content and the tone of language will change according to who the audience is. You can imply the audience or directly state who the audience is. The level and type of knowledge your audience already has determines how much background you'll need to provide, and the word choice and tone needs to match the audience expectations. Recognize the methods of generating and organizing ideas for writing. So you have the writing process, which is brainstorming, outlining, drafting, revising, and editing. And then the last one is publishing, which isn't on here. So when you brainstorm, it's a way of figuring out what your topic is. You can do that by free writing, clustering, creating mind maps, or you can go back and choose the best ideas after you do all that. When you outline, the outline will only give an overview of the information, and it'll use some information from the brainstorm. When you draft it, you'll just write the complete essay, and after you draft it, you'll revise it and edit it. So you have to get feedback from your teacher, from your friends. So there are two types of feedback, and the feedback can be about the content or in format, or it could be about grammar and mechanics. You can revise, so that means basically rewriting and changing your paper to reorganize, add, or delete ideas. And then you edit, which is rewriting or changing the paper to improve the grammar or mechanics. So prepare your essay with the purpose and the audience in mind. And when you publish it, it's basically you put it out for people to see it.